In this video, we look at Enterprise Vault Search archive groups and how to create them. Archive groups are useful when you have access to many archives and you want to organize them in various categories. You may have noticed that in your Enterprise Vault Search window, you already have default archive groups such as email, file, and so on. Consider an example where the default email archive group has many mailbox archives in it. Some of the mailbox archives belong to the sales team, and others belong to the QA team. You can create your own custom archive groups to organize your archives. For example, you could create groups such as Sales Team for archives belonging to the sales team, and QA Team for archives belonging to the QA team. The archive groups contain links to the archives that you add to them. The archives themselves aren't actually moved or copied. Now let's create an archive group. In the Enterprise Vault Search window, open the Preferences dialog box and click Archive Groups. In the dialog box, you can view the archive groups that already exist. The Archives column lists the archives in the selected group. Here, email and file are the default archive groups. Click the plus button to create a new custom archive group. Give the new archive group a name. Now let's add archives from the default groups to the new archive group. Similarly, create the second archive group. Select the new archive group to view the archives that are in it. You can use the options in the Archive Groups context menu to rename, remove, and reorder the archive groups. These options are only available for the new archive groups. You can identify default archive groups as they have their names in normal text, and custom archive groups have italicized text. You can now easily access the archives in the Enterprise Vault Search window by using the new archive groups.